This video is about tree diagram. Let's look at this example. There is a non-fair coin. The probability of getting head is 0.6. Find the probability of getting at least one head from two tosses of the coin. Probability of at least one head. We will use subtraction. 1 minus probability of neither is a head equals. The probability of getting head is 0.6. Probability of head equals 0.6. So we got probability of tail equals 1 minus 0.6 equals 0.4. So we got 1 minus. The first one is not head, 0.4. Then the second one is not head either, 0.4 again. So we got 0.84. Same problem, I will show you use a tree diagram to solve. First of all, the tree diagram start with a root node. Draw the branches based on the outcomes. We have two outcomes, so we need to draw two branches. On the branches, we need to write down the probability. 0.6 for head, 0.4 for tail. This is the tree diagram for the first task. We can extend the tree diagram to two tosses of the non-fair coin. After the first toss, we got another two outcomes: head, tail, head, tail. Still, we need to write down the probability on the branches: 0.6, 0.4, 0.6, 0.4. How to calculate the probability of the tree diagram? We need to multiply the probabilities along the branch. 0.6, 0.6 equals 0.36. 0.6 times 0.4 equals 0.24. 0.4, 0.6 equals 0.24. Tail, 0.4 times 0.4 equals 0.16. Then we add all these numbers together, we will get 1. Then we can label the probability for 0.36. It means first is head, second is head. For 0.24, first is head, second is tail. 0.24, first is tail, second is head. 0.16, tail. Now let's connect the probability of tree diagram with the set. 0.6 means probability of head. This 0.6 means the probability of head given head. 0.36 means the probability of head intersection head, means getting two has. 0.4 means the probability of tail given the first task is head. 0.24 means the probability of head intersection tail. 0.4 probability of tail. This 0.6 means the probability of head given the first task is tail. 0.4 means the probability of tail given the first task is tail. So we got probability of tail intersection H is 0.24. Probability of tail intersection tail is 0.16. Now let's go back to this problem. We need to figure out the probability of getting at least one head. For this tree diagram, at least one head. This line, because we have a head here, we have a head here. Therefore, we need to add 0.36 plus 0.24 plus 0.24 equals the probability of getting at least one head. 0.36 plus 0.24 plus 0.24 equals 0.84.